In uncertain markets, dividend-paying stocks can provide a steady stream of income. Plus, many of these companies are well established and financially secure. Look at companies like Coca-Cola or Johnson & Johnson. They've been paying consistent dividends for decades and are considered safe investments. Search for companies with a dividend yield of 2 to 4%. Too high could mean risk, but too low might not be worth it. Emerging markets like India and Brazil are offering fantastic opportunities for growth. As their economies expand, their stock markets follow. Instead of picking individual stocks, consider ETFs focused on these markets. It's a simple way to gain exposure without excessive risk. The stock market isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. Successful investors stick to their strategies, even when the market fluctuates. Set up automated investments to contribute to your portfolio regularly. It's called dollar cost averaging, and it helps you buy stocks at different price points over time. There you have it, your roadmap to profitable stock investments in 2024. These strategies are simple, but they work if you stick with them. If you found value in today's video, hit the like button, subscribe for more financial tips, and comment below on which strategy you're most excited to try. Want to know how to pick winning stocks for 2024? Stick around, because I'm sharing simple, profitable strategies to help you grow your money in the stock market even if you're just starting out. Hey there, welcome back to SmartCoin Chronicles. If you're looking to make smart investments and grow your wealth, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you through the top stock investment strategies for 2024, strategies that anyone can follow to see real results. From identifying high-growth sectors to diversifying like a pro, we're covering it all. So, grab a coffee and let's jump into it. In 2024, certain sectors are expected to outperform others. Look out for industries like artificial intelligence, renewable energy, and healthcare. These are areas experiencing massive growth, driven by innovation and global demand. Take AI minutes. Think about how tools like ChatGPT is revolutionizing industries. Investing in companies leading in AI could offer massive returns over the next few years. Use resources like Yahoo Finance or Google News to track these trends. Knowledge is your best tool. Simply put, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversification helps you manage risk by spreading your money across different types of investments. For example, if you invest in tech stocks, balance them with safer options like dividend-paying stocks or ETFs. That way, if one sector struggles, your entire portfolio isn't at risk. Check out index funds like the S&P 500 or growth-oriented ETFs. They're beginner-friendly and easy to manage.